Hey, so Kong, what Donkey Kong did?
He got his name back, man.
He got it back for now. You got him again. You got him one more time, right?
Yeah, I got him at 8 o'clock.
Hopefully at 8 o'clock we can break the tie. It's 1-1 now.
All right, y'all here?
Yeah, hopefully at 8 o'clock we can break the tie.
All right.
Yeah, it was a good race though.
It was a good race.
Yeah.
Trigger Man said he wants some more.
Huh?
Trigger Man said he wants some more.
He wants some more? You gonna do it again?
Give him some more.
All right. Here we go. Here we go.
I always mess with you on my yeah, I always mess with you.
Hey, brother, you tell me who you like. Who you like?
Right here.
All right.
Right here. Ginger Chuck. Who you like?
Yes, look. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Got one today.